let's eat some kanjanggejang. Raw marinated crab. If di nyo alam paano mag-cut ng kanjanggejang, I'll teach you how. First, you remove this part. And then you see these. Cut them off. Those are not eaten. And then with your scissors, half it. Ooh. Ulmat. Ang sarap. And usually what I do, nakagat ko na lang. But if you guys don't have strong teeth, I don't recommend. This needs rice. Guys, this is the highlight ng kanjanggejang. Dito sa shell na to, kunin nyo lahat ng nasa gilid. Add the rice.